eat, David?
One.
I'm so stupid. Alright, we got a third passenger, little Nicky. Give us a spot, Nicky. You ready to rock and roll? Where are we gonna go? What are we gonna do? A giant what? Yeah, big mud pile right there. Let's hope we don't get stuck. Alright. Awesome job, dude. You made it. You almost knocked me off the bike. How you doing back there, passenger? Alright, you ready to drive? Your turn? Oh, sorry. Alright, David, you come here. No, off the bike, right here. We're going to see some filming action here on the deep brown side. Alright, you hold it.
Okay.
Keep your fingers away from the camera. You watch me and Nicky, okay? Nicky do the drive, and then we're going to do the same thing for you. Alright, wait, let me just turn this around, Nick. Alright. Watch out, D, just stand right where you're at. You ready to rock and roll, D?
Yeah.
Okay, me and Nicky are going to go across first, then we're going to come back. So when we go across, you move a little closer to the water.
Okay.
Scary? Are you freezing? You want to go home? Say, I love the mud!
I love the mud.
Scream it!
I love the mud.
Alright, watch this. This is cool. Ready? I love the mud! It's a little louder than I wanted, but shit. That's good. It's good cleaning of the wheels. We got to clean them off pretty well. Alright, let's go. One more time, guys. You ready? Oh, we got to go back, Nick. Don't worry. We got to go back. Don't worry. You keep it straight, okay, buddy? Here we go. Here we go. guys. We'll start her back up.